So I wanted to do something that was plant forward, but also would be tremendously popular with our student population. That bao idea came to mind because it's very popular these days, as well as Moroccan and North African flavors. So when I was composing the dish, I thought of like lemon tahini and hummus because they're fat forward. The pickled vegetables brought acidity and sweetness. The breaded cauliflower kind of brought that crunch factor with the fried Brussels sprouts. Just really at the end of the day, you want to have all those components in a good, well-balanced dish. I wanted to try the cauliflower a few different ways. At first, just roasting it and adding the Moroccan spice, and then got to the point where we like flavor profile with frying the Brussels and the cauliflower. I definitely became deeper enriched with Moroccan and North African spices. They're just intensely warm flavors that just pair really well with other items.
I really appreciated how BC Dining tried to branch out and explore global flavors. I appreciated the different textures and different flavors. So with like the crunchy cauliflower, with like the sauce and the pickled vegetables, that it was really like a cohesive meal, especially along with the chewy bao bun. It provided a feast for my palate. On campus, there aren't as many global options, and I'm a big fan of trying new things, trying flavors from around the world. So it was different from my usual salad bar meal. I really appreciate the weekly emails. I feel like I'm being seen by BC in a way because I have dietary restrictions and allergies, and I appreciate that they're looking out for me and not only providing just regular meals, but fun and exciting things as well.
So we're looking right now to develop a bao station that would have plant-forward, seafood, and meat options.